Hello everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to remove duplicate apps on iPhone and also how to delete apps completely from your device. So if you're seeing the same app twice on your home screen, don't worry. This is usually just a shortcut, not an actual duplicate install. First method, remove app from iPhone home screen. Simply tap and hold the app you want to remove. Wait for the menu to appear, then tap Remove App and select Remove from Home Screen. This will only remove the icon, but the app will still stay installed on your iPhone. Now, if you want to delete the app permanently from iPhone, here's the second method. Go to Settings, then scroll down and tap General. After that, select iPhone Storage. Here, you'll see a full list of all installed apps. Tap on the app you want to remove, then tap Delete App. Confirm it, and the app, including its data, will be completely removed from your device. So yeah, that's how you can fix duplicate apps on iPhone and manage your storage easily. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.